In this session, let us consider a numeral to appreciate set associative mapping technique. Okay. So there is a set associative mapping technique question. Let us see. Physical address of a system of a CPU is 32 bits. A cache is of 32 KB is used in the system. Rather, 32 KB with two-way set associative is used in the system. Is used in the system. Is used in the system. Block size is 64 words. Okay. Now we'll have to practice two-way set associative process here. Okay. So first what we do is we will take direct mapping division. From the direct mapping division, we will define two-way set associative. Now you know that in direct mapping, we need to divide the physical address into two fields. Physical address which is equal to 32 digits, right? These 32 digits must be divided into two fields. One is index and one more is tag. What is index? Index is the number of digits that are required to represent the cache address. Cache is equal to 32 KB. 32 KB, which is equal to 2 power 15. So index bits will be equal to 15. Okay. Remaining digits will be for tag. Tag is equal to 17. Okay. Now the index will be subdivided into two more portions. One is word field and one more is line or block, whatever you call, both are one and the same. What is word field? Word field is the size of the block. Size of the block is equal to 64 words. Okay, which means that it requires 6 digits. The word field requires 6 digits. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So there are a total of 2 power 9 blocks. Each block is of 2 power 6 words with a tag 17 digits. Okay. Now let us stay focused. This is for direct mapping division. When you go to set associative, you know that when you go to set associative, you know that block is equal to block minus 1, tag is equal to tag plus 1. You need to do a practice. You need to subtract one digit from the block and you need to add it to the tag. That is now tag will become 17 plus 2. Block will become 9, sorry. Tag will become 17 plus 1. Block will become block minus 1, 9 minus 1. The word will not get affected. So here block is equal to block minus 1, that is 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Here tag is equal to tag plus 1, that is 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. So 18 tag digits, 8 block digits plus 6 word digits. Okay. So here tag is equal to 18 because tag is equal to tag plus 1. block is equal to block minus 1, that is equal to 8, word is equal to 6. Okay, now let us go to four-way set associative. Okay, in four-way set associative, the division will be as simple as two-way set associative. Okay, tag is equal to tag plus 2 from direct mapping, and block is equal to block minus 2 from direct mapping, and the word field will not get changed. Word field will be equal to 6. Block is equal to block minus 2, that is in the direct mapping block field is equal to 9, and here in four-way set associative, four-way associative, block is equal to block minus 2, tag is equal to tag plus 2. Block minus 2 is actually how many blocks are there? How many bits in the block? 9 in the direct mapping. From direct mapping, we need to subtract 2. That is 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Tag is equal to tag plus 2. In the direct mapping, we do have 17. 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. This is how you're going to make a division. The direct mapping, initially you do the process of dividing index plus tag. Okay, and index must be subdivided into word field and a block field. Fine. In set associative mapping, index is equal to index minus 1, tag is equal to tag plus 1. Okay. In four-way set associative mapping, index is equal to index plus 2, tag is equal to tag minus 2. This is how you are going to solve the problem. That is it. If, as you can understand, the logic of either direct mapping or set associative mapping is really very simple to solve. When you get a question of this kind, sure that you're going to bag all the marks that are given in the question, given for the question.